the channel and like the video. Umkhokha to strike on Zodwa. On Tuesday, 5 March 2024, Mthembus visited Zodwa. He told her not to return home until she found the best solution to combat Umkhokha. He will tell Zodwa to act quickly or else the curse will take her daughter Mthembus' life. According to Umkhokha March Teasers, the curse will strike again and the Gumedes and the Mthembus will mourn their loved ones. Well, Umkhokha will strike on Zodwa and unfortunately she is going to lose her life. The Gumedes and Mthembus will be mourning for Zodwa. Now let's check comments on Facebook. As long as it's not Mam Zobe, I am good. I love that we. Pagatao must get some rest now. He's been through a lot. Why her, not the trouble causer who stole their father's bag? What a shame, I just like her. Zodwa is the right wife for Difa. Akipito loba udifa pela. Zobilicious is a double. Zobilicious is a double trouble stress. Nubuntu didn't listen to her father and she didn't come back. Umkhokha must strike there with that useless boyfriend.